Before there were churches or temples, there were mountains, rivers, trees, and stars. Before there were teachings, written or preached, there was wind whispering truth through the leaves. Nature was the first temple. Nature was the first teacher. Even Jesus often used nature as his living classroom. The Buddha awakened beneath a tree. Lao Tzu listened to the Tao in the stillness of the valleys. Yogis and sages of ancient India learned from the silence of the forests. Native elders received wisdom from the earth, the sky, and the animals. Saint Francis saw divinity in every creature and called them brothers and sisters. The tree teaches patience. The river teaches letting go. The mountain teaches stillness. The fire teaches transformation. When you realize you are part of it, you stop seeking lessons just in books and start hearing them in the wind, the rain, and your own heartbeat. Return to nature. Breathe. Listen. The first teacher is still teaching and always will.